さする息吹岬から潮風トンネル抜けて遠へ惹かれ合い小道に迷い込む心に溶け込む影照らす黄金のスピリッツそれは守り抜く光 Let the voice of love take you higher
My first build season has been going great, and I have met a very welcoming community.
My first build season was pretty fun. I've been able to talk with some people that I've never really actually talked to before.
Build season has a really grateful impact on my life because it turned from random strangers that I just met into random people that I actually become friends with and go to know more about and more camaraderie.
What I've been working on is the electrical board, and the electrical board is a essential part of the robot, and I've been helping out with its design and how it's going to be placed.
So far, I've been working on the storage, which helps us store our fuel before we shoot it into the container.
My group has been working on a shooting mechanism which was inspired by another team during the 2017 Steamworks Games.
Right now we're working on a new prototype for the climb mechanism. For our smaller set of hooks, or the ones that are stationary, they're going to pivot out so that they can hold onto the bar.
We'd originally changed the ledger hooks from a previously like slide based to more chain based, where the hooks are mounted on chains.
I think initially and still we're having a lot of issues just with spacing. I mean, the spacing is the biggest thing for us at the moment, I believe.
Mostly just the exact size that we get for the robot, as in like width and length, has been a bit of an issue in terms of like where you can place hooks to get the proper distance between, so you don't start rocking on mid climb. There's been a big like issue in pushing forward and improving our design process.